We are looking at how to pronounce these words. How do you say each of them correctly? How do they differ or not? They do look similar. They sound a little bit similar, but their meanings are different. The top word is an animal that we make wool from, and it is said as sheep. The double E there means a rather long E sound. Sheep, sheep, as in the animal. The bottom word is ship, ship, so a similar sound but way shorter. This is a type of large boat, a ship. The ship is sailing on the ocean. The top word is said as sheep. The beautiful sheep are eating grass in the field. Sheep or sheep. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.